Oh, hello. Today we are at a farm and we're staying in a farmhouse. You and me are going to walk around and see lots of animals. And I'm very excited. I am looking for a rabbit. Let's see if we can find one. A tractor. This is a gate and it's quite small. I am opening the gate and walking down the stairs. This is a large bush, and in the bush there are lots of colourful flowers. These flowers are yellow, orange, pink, purple, and I think that's it. So I am walking down a road. This is a road, normally for cars, but there are no cars. To my right is a white fence, and the fence is to keep the cows inside. I am on the outside, the cows are inside the fence. In the red farmhouse, there are more animals. This is a tree, and the tree has no leaves. Let's keep going. Can I do my cow impression? Okay. Behind me, there are 3 cows. And on the cow's head, it has horns. The cow has horns. It has a tail and 4 legs. Those 3 cows are black and white. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is a calf. A cow makes milk that you and me drink. The cow is eating. He's feeding. Hello. I love animals. Now the cow is moving away. I don't think he loves me. Oh. It's very hot. So I am sitting down on a bench. I'm taking a rest. I'm chilling out. I'm cooling down because it's very hot. Okay, I'm cool. These are geese. A goose is 1. Geese are many. The geese are standing next to a pond. Geese can swim and they can fly. I can't fly. These are geese, not ducks. A goose has a long neck. These are turkeys. Turkeys are bigger than chickens. There are lots of turkeys here. Turkeys have a red neck. They have 2 legs, like me and like you, and they have brown and black feathers. The feathers are like a bird's skin. They help keep it dry and they help it to fly. In England, where I'm from, At Christmas, on Christmas Day, we eat turkeys. Do you eat turkey where you're from? I'm crouching down, and inside here there are chickens. A chicken is smaller than a turkey. And a chicken also has 2 legs, like you and like me. Chickens have a red comb on their head, and a chicken's mouth is called a beak. Chickens have yellow beaks. A male chicken, I'm a male, is called a rooster. A female chicken is called a hen. Do you know what a baby chicken is called? A chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Hello. Yeah. If I poke my finger through, oh, it might think it's food, so I shouldn't do that. Don't want to feed my finger to the chicken. That's not good. Hello? 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 So this is a baby pig, and baby pigs are called piglets. Hello? Wow. There are 2 piglets here, and if you can hear the piglets, they're making the sound. We say they are grunting, or oink is the word for a pig sound in English. These piglets are very cute. Again, they have 2 ears, and they are pink and brown in colour. Hello? I'm not sure if the pig will eat my finger, so I don't want to put my finger inside. But they are very cute. I have never seen a pig this close before, so for me this feels quite special. I love animals. Hello. Oh, it's still very hot. I live in Vietnam and the weather is super hot. So I'm going to rest on the swing. This is a swing. There are 2 swings. I am swinging. Now, I'm not swinging. I'm holding the chains. These are the chains. And this wooden structure is called a frame. Normally, you find swings at a playground or a park, but there are swings at the farm here. What am I doing? I'm skimming stones. We are by the river, we're next to the river, and I'm looking for the perfect stone, a nice round stone. So I'm looking on the ground and I need to find a stone that is flat. This stone is flat and it's quite round. So I'll try skim it now. You ready? I got 3 skims, or 3 bounces. That was quite good, but I can do better. Right, I'm not going to give up. I want to get more than 3 skims. Let's see. I'll do it crouched. Well, that was rubbish. That was very bad. Let's try again. Okay, last one. Can I get more than 3? 2, 3. I got 3. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I did it. Now I want to go see some horses. I think there are horses at this farm. Let's go see. What a beautiful day. We are walking to see the horses. But what are these trees on either side of me? These trees are called palm trees. Wow. Hey guys, we found a horse. Hello. I love horses. They're so chilled. I'm feeding the horse. I just fed the horse some grass. Hello. Now I'm petting the horse. The hair on a horse's back is called a mane. Just like a lion, they both have manes. This is a mane. Hello. Again, I'm petting the horse, but I think she wants some more food. So I'm going to get some grass now. I'm gonna get grass. There's lots of grass, but it's all very short. I need some long grass. So I'll go over here. 1 second. I've got the grass. I'm running or jogging. Now I'll walk to be calm. Hello. Okay, I'm feeding the horse. Is that nice? Oh, she's following me. Come on. Again, guys, this is long grass. I'm feeding her. This is just the short grass. I can't feed her the short grass because she might bite my fingers off. There you go, girl. She is enjoying the grass. She likes the grass. Can I pet you? Okay. The place where a horse lives is called a stable. That horse is going inside the stable. A horse's hands and feet are called hooves. Hello. Well, I've just fed the horse. My hands are dirty. They are muddy. I need to wash them. And I'm sweating. It's very hot, so I am sweating buckets. That means I'm sweating a lot. Let's go wash my hands. Okay, now I need to wash my hands. I'm going to wash my hands. So this is a sink, this is a mirror, and this is a tap. I'm turning on the tap, rinsing my hands. This is the soap. I'm pumping out the soap, rubbing it in to my hands, and rinsing off the soap. I'm turning off the tap, flicking the water off. Now, wiping my face because I'm sweaty. That feels very good. Okay, now I think the rabbits are over there. So let's see. Mission accomplished. I have found the rabbits. Now let's describe the rabbits. Rabbits have white fur, 2 long ears, and they hop. Now let's head back to the house. All right, we've seen the animals, and now I'm back at the farmhouse. So I'm walking up the stairs, and now I'm walking on the veranda. Okay, we've seen the animals. Now I'm at the farmhouse. I've arrived at the house. Tomorrow, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna make breakfast. Thank you for watching. Remember to smile, stay positive, stay happy. Have a lovely day. Yeah. Through the leg. Horsies.